Students, in my mathematics classes of class 9th, introduction of coordinate geometry. First of all, we have to find what is coordinate geometry. Coordinate means if two lines, suppose that is a horizontal line, that is this one is horizontal, that is x and x dash, this will be that is 0. Now here that is 1 2 3, here -1 -2 -3. This is horizontal line, this is horizontal and another a vertical line, this that is y and y dash, here middle is 0. Now here +1 +2 +3, this is -1 -2 -3. If both combine to each other at their zeros, we have to find 4 quadrant, that is like this. If both combine to each other, if these zeros and these zeros intersect each other, then this figure is now find in this form. This one, this is x axis, that is positive direction of x axis, and here this is -x, negative direction, or x dash, that is negative, and this is origin. Here this is y axis, positive direction, and y dash, that is negative. Now we have divided this into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. This part is known as, that is quadrant, yani that is the plural form of axis, that is axis, plural form of axis, that is equal to axis, which is form quadrant. Here now this, look here, that is there are 4 quadrants, first, second, third and fourth. In first quadrant, that is here it is first quadrant, both order pair, that is here both is positive, x axis is also known as abscissa, which is also known as horizontal axis. Now y axis, this is vertical axis, it is also known as ordinate. This one. Now in this, between positive direction of x axis and positive direction of y axis, both point, that is this point is if positive, so it is in first quadrant. Now here look, x is negative, y is positive, so this is second quadrant. Now here this is x is minus, y is plus. Now this one is third quadrant. That is both are negative, and in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. Now on this basis some questions are arises, that is in which, suppose in which quadrant does the point that is -4 3 -4 -3, that is 4 -3 and 4 3 lies. First of all we look the solution. Here look, here both are positive, that is x is also positive, y also positive. Therefore in this here x is also positive, y also positive, that is 4 3 lies in first quadrant. Now again second, x is negative, y is positive. Now take here, that is -4 3, so -4 3 here x is negative, y is positive. This is lie in second quadrant. Again in third quadrant, here both are negative. Look here, that is -4 -3, that is -4 -3. Here this is lies in third quadrant, and in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. So here that is 4 and -3. This is fourth quadrant. इस तरह से हम किसी भी एक्सिस पे को 4 पार्ट में बांटते हैं, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. इसका साइन जो भी प्लस और माइनस के रूप में होता है दैट इज क्वाड्रेंट, और जो पॉइंट होता है दैट इज कोऑर्डिनेट. ओके, थैंक यू.